I mean, never tried this before, but let's see.
One looks like this.
Okay. Okay, this is the third time, and then third time is the last time. We're going to move on. All right. So with the pencil, start from the 000, the origin, and then I will go follow the green axis and go to enter. And then move your cursor around until it snaps. It's a sign. It's a perfectly parallel to this red axis, and then 2 feet, enter. And then you see this green highlight. This is it. And go to push pull, click, let your mouse button go, and then mouse in 2 feet, enter. Now this is your base 2. All right, I'm gonna make this a group so that the object I create doesn't stick to the surface. Double click, just click once, it selects the surface. Twice, selects outline as well, but it's still there together, you know. Okay, and then if you click more times, then it selects all of them. The right mouse button and make a group. Now, let's make a shapes. Cylinder. Then you can actually make it. Double click to float. And you can rotate too. Okay. And another shape I can make. This time the line didn't become thinner, which means it didn't stick to the surface. And then make it 3D with the push pull. Now, the last one is the sphere. I'm going to start with the circle somewhere. And then you need to create another circle. It's it should be perpendicular. How do you draw a circle that way? You need a plane. This is a trick. This is more advanced. So I was showing how you can create the plane, which is temporary. You're going to use it later. Okay, now this is a surface. And then let's create another circle. You know, if you move your cursor around, you will grab this right plane. And then this is the middle point. SketchUp is smart. It detects what you are trying to do. And then we are deleting this excess part of the plane. I do not need the entire circle. I am deleting half this as well. So I don't need this surface anymore. This is just a path. I'm selecting path first. That's step number 1, and go to follow me tool. And then select this. Okay, let me see. You know, it's already divided because these lines. I'll delete this first. Again, step number 1, select this ring, which is a path, and then select follow me, and then this is how you create the ball. Double click, and then bring it here. Okay. And you can change the scale. This is scale. And then you see all these control points. These 4 points are for you. Oh, I guess they're connected. Okay, let me change the size from here. This is a scale. Okay. And move it to the table. And then move it up. All right. So this is what I have. 5 more minutes. No, 3 more minutes. We are going to move on to the. Or are we done? Are we done? No? No way? All right. Okay.
Is it possible for you to like record a video tutorial?
It's what I'm doing. This is recording.
Oh, yes.
Okay. And then, well, I guess we don't have enough time. So I'm gonna get to the coloring, okay? So you already made something group, you cannot, you can apply texture to entire group members, or you can double click to go inside the group and apply different texture, right? So you can start with the paint bucket. And then your default tray, if you don't see default tray, then you go window and then find default tray. And then you will see the materials. I'm going to start with, I don't know, maybe fabric, not fabric, brick. Let's make one side brick. Big. Well, actually, this is to scale. So it should be, if it's 2 feet, it should be the right scale. And then another kind of brick. And then turn around, another kind of brick. Turn around, another kind of brick. Okay. On top, what about wood? Okay. Now I have all this with the texture. If you want color, it's easier. Go to this model where it's a solid colors. And I want red sphere. Because of it looks something like something. Because of this middle line, oh, it has 2 parts. Okay. Then this cylinder, you can apply different texture, plaster or glass. Glass sounds good. Okay. So this is it. This is it. Try to create this and then apply texture. And let's see if you can do how much you can get done in 5 minutes. And then we will create this lamp. Let's do clock. Clock is more fun. Okay.
They're like a back tool, so like when you do something, when you just want to do it quickly.
Yeah, undo.
I don't
Work edit. Next to file and undo.
Let me show you.
Oh, is that like a, my laptop is broken, but I know. Wait, so did you like this?
Yeah.
Well, so like for this one right now, it's so like
Click on the circle. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I think that was.
Okay. If you already have a texture, I will show you something fun. And also I will show you how you can size scale the texture. Okay. If you want a custom texture on one side, or since this does not have texture, normally I apply color, some color that I do not use. I know I'm not going to use, and then go to edit. And here is use texture image. Find this is a folder icon, and let's see where I have gallery. Oh, I do not have OneDrive connected. Let's quickly find a texture. Puzzle. How about any picture? And can I copy? Copy image, okay. Or is it copy? Write it or something? Copy image? Well, anything you have on the screen, you can get from, okay, here. From here, snip, enter, to open the snipping tool. And then you. And then save. Under picture. All right, now you can go back to the folder icon and find picture. Now, the Picasso painting is here. I don't like how it came out. I mean, it can be sometimes rotated or scaled. Then let's move this side. Okay. How you do? Select the surface and right mouse button. There is a texture position. Okay. So you can move. And you can scale. Or you can rotate. You can also go here. This is 1 foot and 11 inches something. Then you can make this one bigger or smaller. 3 times bigger. Okay. The ratio is locked. That's why it's scaled proportion. Got it? This is how you can make a custom texture, or this size scale your texture. It's already applied. Again, if it's already applied, you select this texture and then go to this material panel and then select this sample paint and then click on the texture you'd like to modify. Then go to edit, and then this is a texture you're editing, and you can change the scale. Make sense? Okay. We only have 10 minutes. Let me show you how you can make a clock with the texture, and that's what you're going to do for our pop quiz portion today. Good? Ready? Okay. Too fast, isn't it? I know. The clock, if it's a wall clock, then you need the wall first. Or I can use this wall. Okay. The clock, what's the size? 15 inches. So the circle, radius, 15 inches. What? Radius, okay. Radius, 15 inches. What's that? 7.5 inches. 5. Okay. And then push pull. Look at this, the edge. You see all these lines? Okay, so 3D model, what makes 3D model heavy in terms of size, large file size or small file size? It's number of geometry. So each line, it makes triangle, and then it means the detail. So I'm going to start again. Pay attention. So I select this circle and the starting point. Before you click, you see on the status input box size, 24 size around. That's not detailed enough. I like smooth outline. Then you need to do, let's say, 64, enter. And then you draw a circle. And then 7.5 inches. Now, This is smooth and much softer, right? Okay. So depth, I'm gonna make 2 inches. And then I need him. About, I like something thin. And then push this down. Okay? And I'm going to have the arms or numbers. Let's start, if you like to identify where the center is, place your cursor near the edge, then you will find the line. It's just straight up, and straight down. These are temporary guidelines. So I'm going to have line next to line very thin. You have to delete them. Select. And then apply. Why don't I apply red color? And move. This is not. It's not red. It's okay. This is brick material. I can go back and pick another red color. Okay, better. And then select this guy. You can mirror it or you can copy it. Hold down Control key to make a copy. Okay. And then remove the center line. This becomes one surface and raise it. Okay. I don't need this line. What I'm going to do, I make this guy a group. And I'm going to have 11 additional of these around the circle, right? So select, rotate. And then you need to, well, I do need the center point, I guess. Circle. I already have this block, red block selected. And then rotate here. And then select this point. And then this is my starting point for the, what they call it? Sky. And you can make all these additional blocks, but what happens, actual original guy is moving. Let's go inside. Yeah. Oh, just this line. Okay, select this guy again, rotate. And then before you click the horizon, hold down Control. And then you make 30-degree enter. And then 11x. Got it? No. I know, right? I'm gonna do one more time. Okay.
Look around without a metal spoon.
So this is our pop-up quiz. This clock. If you can have all of them together, I think that would be enough. Okay. So far it's not that difficult, right? You need to create a circle, make sure it's so smooth by adding more size. Okay. Then create a box. You need to know where is the center of the clock.
It's red.
From this surface.
And then click on the lines.
So center, right? And then go straight up. Okay. Now you need something let's try circles this time because we don't have time. And then we do not need guys. And then make it up and apply color. Okay, you select this guy. You can make a group so that it doesn't stick. And then you need to use rotate. Hold down Control key and then select the base point. And then select this starting point, which is here. And then 30, enter. Now we have duplicate. It's a 30-degree away. And then next time, 11x, enter. Okay. And for the hands, it's not arms, hands, right? From the center, you can draw box, 2 boxes. Anywhere. One is short, one is thick. That you can do.
Sorry.
Got it? Okay. Good luck. Today's pop quiz does not have test code, and you just upload the 2 screenshots. Screenshots, just get the angle and use snipping tool. Is it too much? So you cannot finish before class?
No. 2 minutes?
I mean, this is homework. It's not pop quiz in class. You, of course, you know, I'm not that crazy. This is what you do, okay? So today's pop quiz is a homework before you come back to class. That work?
Yeah.
Yeah, of course.
Oh, sorry, but I try to add to my. So that is something.
I still don't want to make.
Okay, here, to use texture, you need to sign in as a Trimble member. So select there, and I'm already have membership. You go there, I think membership, joining Trimble member should be free because you have the license. Okay, do so that you can have all the, you have access to all the 3D warehouse stuff. Okay,
We had some questions about, for students who are more used to using like Rhino or Revit, if they're allowed to use that or if they need to use SketchUp.
are you familiar with the Rhino? Oh, who is a Rhino user?
Anyone who took 1140 should be
SketchUp.
comfortable.
Stick to SketchUp. We will work on Rhino like you did. But SketchUp is what we really think because the following,
I'm signed in, but for some reason it still doesn't let me do texture. It's just weird. Like I have the educational use Cornell University signed in.
Oh.
I try to add texture.
No, no. Oh.
But it doesn't follow it.
Can you restart, save your work and restart?
What's the,
Okay. Rotation? This array?
like all the numbers, yeah.
Alright. So, you need a, something, right? Here, this is, you can click it, but it doesn't stick. And then rotate. You select rotate, but not doing anything yet. Hold down Control before you click the center, the baseline, base point. And then go to the starting point. And here you can let go of your control point, control button, and then 30 degree, enter. Right? Here. And then 11x, enter. Well, this is the third time, why you complaining?
You should do it again.
Okay, do it again. All right,
Can you record that part?
it's already recording, yeah. So you have something created, and then select this guy, and then right mouse button, and make a group.
But it's like.
Undo, control Z.
Undo, control D or edit, undo. Okay, and then here is rotate, pay attention, and then hold down control at this point. And then keep the base point, and then pick the starting point. Let go of your control. And then move mouse a little bit, and 30, enter. Stop. 11x, enter. Okay, 11x means 11 of them. All right,
Oh wait, how'd you get the rim like out?
and one more time, we don't have time. Okay, this is push pull.
Well, everything moved when I did it.
Everything together, that's why how do you get the separation?
Yeah, that's why you grouped. Think means you are not sticking to the base. Okay, so, okay. You decide like if this is too much altogether or multiple of you, then we can consider deadline or something. That's like, okay.
Yeah.
Like only decide and then make a.
We're agile.
Oh no, like we're talking about like how the frame of the clock is out, but the actual clock is in.
Oh, I made a
Yeah, am I?
Oh, you made two soon.
Yeah, I did. So one is. Base. Or then. Yeah, okay, okay, so the